Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin rights or permission, so if prompted, sign in now. Once signed in, press Windows key plus I to open settings. This jumps straight to controls without extra clicks. Next, choose Personalization and then Taskbar. That's the panel where system icons live. Make sure Focus Assist or similar utilities aren't hiding controls. Now you're at the place to toggle the sound icon. Proceed to the taskbar corner behaviors to make the change. Once at taskbar settings, open taskbar corner overflow or choose turn system icons on or off depending on your Windows version. You'll see volume or sound, toggle it to off. This removes the speaker icon from the taskbar without uninstalling drivers. Make sure to apply or simply close settings. Windows saves the change automatically. If the icon remains, restart Explorer or sign out and back in to force the UI to refresh. That usually finishes the removal cleanly. To finalize, verify the icon is gone. If it's still visible, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer to refresh the taskbar immediately. Make sure no third-party audio utilities, like headphone managers, are set to display their own icon. Disable their tray option. If a change broke functionality, simply return to the same taskbar settings and toggle volume back on. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot once.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.